The Lion and the Three Oxen. A hungry lion spent his days watching three big oxen graze in a wide open field. He had tried to attack them many times, but the three friends always stood side by side to protect each other. The lion knew he was no match for three sets of sharp horns and heavy hooves all working together. But the lion didn't give up. He stayed near the field waiting for a mistake. One day, that mistake happened. The three oxen had a massive argument. They were so angry at one another that they stomped off to separate corners of the field to stay as far apart as they could get. Now that they were alone, they were no longer safe. The lion walked into the field and attacked them one at a time. Because they were no longer there to help each other, the lion easily caught them all. The moral of the story: we are stronger together than apart. The end.